Let's paint you a spooky mermaid lip art. Start with a clean canvas. First of all, sketch out the tentacles with black liquid lipstick. Follow your natural lip contour more or less, except that in the middle, they don't have to be symmetrical. Fill in the gaps with a dark teal or green liquid lipstick. Start applying the duochrome pigments in green, teal, and blue colors to create that multi-chrome overall effect. Sketch out a shadow under each of the tentacles and fill them in with dark purple and then a purple liquid lipstick for 3D effect. If you're liking the tutorial so far, just hit that follow button. Using a nail dot to sketch out the suckers. This is giving Ariel kidnapped by Ursula vibes, isn't it? Let me know in the comments.
Paint a Halloween stained glass lip art with me.
Clean canvas. Start by outlining the lip shape, making the corners pointy on top, and then sketch out the stained glass pieces with black liquid lipstick, and then start coloring them with all the colors of Halloween lipsticks: purple, green, orange, all the shades that you prefer. I've used 2 multi-chrome lipsticks here. Use different finishes too: metallic, matte, glitter. If you're liking the spooky makeup tutorial so far, hit that follow button. Go over the shapes one more time with black liquid lipstick to make them more prominent.
Now that we've captured the essence of Halloween, Barbie celebrates Halloween. Did you know that? Let's paint Halloween in Barbieland.
Start by outlining and painting the lips. All the products used are listed in the caption because for some of them I have codes. For example, with this blue Gavissi Beauty Grapeness, create a nice ombre of the blue, purple, and emerald green. Use a fan brush and add the lime green for the grass texture. Start painting the pumpkins. First a bright pink circle, and to make them pumpkins, add darker and lighter lines. For the 3D effect, add the yellow smiles and eyes. For the jack-o'-lanterns, for the tombstones, also add the glittery pink lipstick on top. If this has been useful so far, don't forget to hit that follow button. Make the ghosts out of white liquid lipstick. Make them cheerful because they're cute. They're in Barbieland, and the bats are cute too. That's why they're glittery. Would you go to Barbieland to celebrate Halloween? Here is how you can paint Wednesday Addams and Enid Sinclair window on your lips. I feel like this is the signature item from the series. If you think there is another signature one, let me know in the comments what it is. Wednesday Addams' half is obviously gray, and Enid's is colorful blues, teals, yellows, and pinks. Follow for more creative makeup.
I saved the weirdest for the last, the jack-o'-lantern aka pumpkin lips. The lighting is a bit weird because the tutorial is old, but will you trust my word when I say that the result is worth it? Use an orange lipstick, the yellow lipstick in the middle for protruding areas and the red for the shadings. Carve the lips with foundation, outline the eyes with yellow, and fill the eyes and the mouth with black liquid lipstick. Boo! Let the pumpkin lips do the talking. Leave this video a like if you loved it, and check the Halloween makeup ideas playlist that has just appeared to get even more ideas, including full face looks.